Okay, just time enable the screen sharing. And okay, Abdul, just share the screen. Great talk. Yeah, last day what you have done. Okay, open the Eclipse and just tell what is the last topic we have got.
Last, we are done exception handling array index.
Okay, exception handling. Okay, I think we are doing exception handling, not completed. I think.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, and let's do some more try and catch example. Okay. Start from one simple try catch block. Give the class name as try catch example. Or anything. No exception handling. No, it is not exception handling. True. This is the type of the exception. This is what is the type of the exception that we need to put here. Okay, just write here. Just write arithmetic exception. Right. From previous example, just copy and paste. Change to okay. Import. Change to no. That's an index top bound exception. No, this is just right arithmetic exception. Here. Arithmetic exception. Give me control. Give me approve. Arithmetic exception. Okay. We just hover here. Just 1 second, hover here. No need to write and click anything. Just hover on this error. Just keep the cursor on the error. Just keep the cursor on the error. Wait 1 minute. Try can see. No exception type, so we need to write exception type. Okay, just write here arithmetic exception. Just write the proper arithmetic exception. Hmm. Okay, I'm giving the chat box. See, just write this. Delete this and then write how to use in the chat box. METIC. Check the spellings. Okay, now 7 run. Yes. Okay, so going to next. Okay, so create another class. And that class name is try catch example. Arithmetic exception should not be the space there. Arithmetic exception, okay. Yeah, this is actually the arithmetic exception because 50 by 0 it is not nothing. That's why it is arithmetic exception. Okay, that's fine.
Maybe it will be more than automatically.
No, actually 50 by 0, that is the throw the exception.
Ah,
Yes.
rest of the okay. Then 0. Let me take my- Yeah, understood.
Yeah. That's why it is saying the arithmetic exception by 0 because it has nothing to answer. So now, array index automatic exception example I'm going to give. So create another next class. Yes. Now 7. Yeah, this is the index 10 actually, but here we have the 4. Length is 4. So this is the at index out of bound exception. We have 4, the length of the array is 4, but we are printing the 10 because it is the array index out of bound exception.
That 13574 is 10.
Yes. Yeah. Because the length is 4, but here the actual the asking the length is 10. So it is the array index out of bound exception. Here, how to save a file with the try and catch block. I'm going to give you that example. We have to use the print writer method. Yeah. Print writer method you have to use, and that's why our file will be saved. Yeah, give the class name. No, no, just to give access handling 1 or 2, anything. import print writer is import file not found exception. Yes. Okay. Finally, actually, it will print file saved successfully. And also, if the file is not found, then it will print and the exception file not found. Here, file is saved successfully. Yes. Because jtp.txt is the new file already it is created in the compiler, created by compiler, then we have to search that file. This actually the file is exist or not. If the file is not exist,
Yeah.
then file not exception occurs, and if the file is exist, then file save successful. Okay, now multiple cache block. Under one try block, there is multiple cache block can be happen. Let's take some example. Under one try block, the multiple cache block will be happen. That is the actual interview question also. The question is under one try block, in exception handling under one try block, one cache will be applicable, or we can give two or more
More
cache.
than one is acceptable.
Yes, more than one cache block is can be we can write.
Yeah.
Yeah, just give any kind of, yeah. No, arithmetic exception is already there. You can write file not found exception. You can write copy from the previous example. Specified position could not be found. Okay, save this.
IO statement, IO input output.
Catch arithmetic exception. Catch. File not for exception is not taking, right? Once give this.
Yeah,
Once give.
but not taking. I already given. I think input output. IO.
Yeah, you can give also. IO. IO exception is also not. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now fine. Run. Save this. Save this. Multiple catch mean accidentally. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Yeah, the output will be arithmetic exception occurs rest of the code. Because it is arithmetic exception. That's why it is arithmetic exception. Save and run. Okay, just 1 minute. Give me control. Let's check. Okay, we have already two catches. If we remove this catch, let's see. Actually, it is printing on that. Just commenting this. Just comment the three line. Abdul, just comment the three lines.
Sir,
Yeah, just comment the three lines, 20, 21, and 22. Comment it. Double slash. Yeah, I can also do that. Yeah, up to this. Start slash. Yes. Now save and run. Yeah, save and run. Save. First of all, save and control S. Control and S. Yes. Every exception occurs and rest of the files. Now it is fine. Okay, I will see that 2023. You do the next program. Okay, now let's do that next program. Exception handling 6. Okay, now finish. Okay, just comment this. I don't know what the exception is not actually happening here. Right.
Is null, that's why.
Mm. Okay, Java null point user cannot invoke string them because it is null. Yes, actually it is null. That's why it is showing the error. Cannot invoke the null pointer exception because we don't give any value. The string we don't give any
Yeah.
string value. That's why
Yeah.
it is showing the error. That is perfect, right? Okay, throws exception you can also write. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. You go to the program. Once give me control. Give me control. Exception and okay, just here we write throws. And then let's see what will happen. Maybe. I think your net is a little bit slow because remote not have working actually. Okay, now share the screen. Abdi. some net problems happening. Let him call. Okay, now join Abdul. Okay, share the screen. Okay, and yeah, give me control that what I am doing. So it will be those exception if we write. Okay, there is so many. Yeah. Okay, you do just here public class exception handling throws exception, just right. Because in remote control actually it is not working. Actually, it will need more net actually speed. That's why. Don't worry, I am just also doing in my system. Just like this. Okay. Abdul, just stop sharing the screen. Rose keyword actually. I am sharing the screen. See. Suppose I am creating the class, then I am in main method and then throws arithmetic exception or any other exception, try or if arithmetic exception throws, then it is arithmetic exception occurs, and after that array index auto bound exception, and the auto exception occurs in the rest of the code. So run this program. Cannot invoke string length because it is null. So it is actually null. That's why cannot actually do the length. If you give some value to the string, then we can do the length actually. That is the thing. And this example, just wait, I'm creating another class. Suppose I am giving the name exception 3. And from the chat box, I am see the code actually. in this exception, let's give any other exception. Guys, ready? Okay, now throws arithmetic exception. Now let's run this. Yeah, here is the same thing. It is the value is null, so we cannot see the length. Okay, the next, okay, I have to share the screen now. Now next is again one example of multiple catch block. I'm giving you this. Okay, I have to share the screen. Rows actually it will be T will be small. The throws keyword actually. The keyword, the first letter of the keyword should be small.
And now it is okay. I think of the
Yeah.
string because is not.
Yeah, now it is fine actually.
Yeah.
Because if you don't give the any string value, so how the compiler can take the length?
If I
No, you have to delete this code in line number from 19 to 21. You have to delete this code. Yeah. Yeah. Now save and run.
that's okay.
Yeah, because it is right. Because if you don't give any string value, actually it will not
Yeah.
take the length. Okay, now do the next program. Okay, I have given the next program. See in the chat box. The same problem. So you just write here throws arithmetic exception. Yeah. And comment this line. Task one is complete and rest of the code. Yes. This is the arithmetic exception, so that's why the arithmetic exception is printed. Task one is completed and rest of the code. Because this is not the index found exception, so that's why task two is not completed, so it is not printed actually. That is the logic. Okay, now do the next. Okay, now we are coming to nested try block. Nested try block is there one try block, there is another try block is there. That is called nested try block. And actually, it's a little bit lengthy, so I am giving you part by part. The two part, but in the one program. Yeah, it is a nested try block. A little nested try block. Okay, just yeah, check the bracket. I think more brackets will be okay. There are two brackets there. Yes. Give the now give one bracket at last line number 44. Throws. Yes. Throws. Not throw. It is throws. That means you handle the exception. Throws means. Okay, now index 10 out of bound of length for outer tribe block. Yes. Add index outer mod exception clearing. It is a nested tribe block. Okay, that's fine. Now next we are doing a finally block. Try catch and finally block. It is finally block. Try catch and finally. Now fine, now fine. Okay, now fine. This 5 final block is always executed and based on the code. Now it will be Java throw keyword. With the throw keyword, we can handle the exception. Throw keyword means what is the function of the throw keyword? Throw keyword means throw the exception, actually, nothing else. It can give the exception or it can throw the exception. That's why it is called throw keyword. Okay. Person is not eligible to vote. Yeah, because why the person is not eligible to vote? Then because its age is less than 18. It is 13 actually. That's why the person is not eligible for vote. If the age, what is the condition? The condition is if the age is below 13, then below 18, then actually it is not vote. Yeah, give the value of 20 or something. Yeah. Now run. Person is eligible to vote. Yes. The criteria is must be 18. The line number 7, the throw new arithmetic exception. Person is not eligible to vote. That exception actually throw keyword will be thrown. That arithmetic exception will be thrown. What is the arithmetic exception here? Arithmetic exception is if the age is less than 18, then actually it will vote. If the less than 18, then actually it will not vote. That arithmetic exception will occur. And if the age is greater than 18, then the person is eligible to vote. Okay, now okay, now throwing user defined exception. Now you are doing with the try catch block user defined exception. Okay, first of all, there are two parts of that program. First of all, create the first class. The two class here of this program. The first create the one class, and that is user defined exception. Okay, just do it. I'm giving you the class name in the chat box. Yes, user defined exception. This user defined. No. Give the class name user defined exception. Okay, then delete this. Delete the whole class. From website, delete the whole class. Not this. Not this. Delete the whole thing. Delete the whole thing. Give brackets. Plus, okay, just wait. Up. Okay, wait. I am giving you one line you need to add. One line you need to add. The class name should be user defined exception and it should be extends exception. Public not class. Okay, just add the line. Line number two. Line number two, just add this line. Yes. Now give the bracket. Not this bracket. The second bracket. Now the public not class. Remove the class. Yes. Now super str. Okay. Okay, just save this and I'm giving you another class. Another class is test throw. This is the another class is test throw. Row new user defined exception. Test throw 3. Yes. No. The test throw 3 actually the spelling mistake. Give me control one second. Give me control. Yes. And row new user defined. It's showing here. This remove clear constructor exception. I create also this. So what will happen? No, this is not required actually. And exception. User defined exception, that is the main error. User defined exception. Okay, go to the previous class. User defined exception. Extend exception. Public user defined exception string str. No. Go to this class again. Go to the previous class. String str. Super str. Yeah, that's fine. Actually. Okay, let me see in my system. Extend exception. Like that. Extend exception. And I'll create another class, and this is the test through 3 actually. Okay, let me see this program. Okay, just do the next program. Yeah. Okay, doing the next program. Let me check that program. What is the this program is actually wrong or not? Okay, now do the next program. That is, this is the test exception propagation. This is called the propagation example. I am giving you this chat box. Okay, what is propagation actually? Propagation means an exception is first thrown from the top of the stack and it is not caught. And it drops down the call stack to the previous method. And if it is not caught there also, then the exception again drops down to the previous method. So until the exception will be caught or until they reach the very bottom of the call stack, this is called the exception propagation actually. So the loop actually automatically will check the where is actually the exception. Now go to first loop, then actually go to the first stack or first loop. There is no exception, and then actually it is not caught. Then go to the second condition, then go to third condition. That's why it will check it actually. That is called arithmetic propagation. Okay, just what is arithmetic propagation? I'm little bit theory giving you. No. Remove one class. Yeah, remove the one class. No, 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 no. In yeah, take that, but remove the line number 3. I think it will work. Or if this is not work, then you need to create the same class name again. Yeah, exception handle, normal flow. Yes. Now just goes to one example that is called throws keyword. You given the throw, now it's throws keyword. Just wait, I am giving this example. And give the name test throw. Actually, yeah. And give the name test throw 1. Import the IO exception. Yeah, that is right. And another is the normal flow, and another is device error. It is the IO exception, device error. That is checked exception. That is right. Okay, now I'll give you one theory that is called the difference between throw and throws. Difference between throw and throw. Just to- You can note it down. Throw and throw example. Yeah, this is the throw and throws example. Okay, now our exception is over actually. And another interview question is there. The question is, what is the difference between final, finally, and finalize? Final, finally, and finalize. This is the another interview question that arises. Okay, I'm giving you one link that you can read from that link. You can also note down the link. Here actually, final, finally, and finalize. Final is one type of keyword. We can use final method and all. And final and finally is the one kind of block of method that we can we can handle the exception and we can print anything despite the exception. That is finally.
Another one is
And finalize method is used with the objects. Finalize is the method in Java which is used to perform cleanup processing. When the objects are created, then the unnecessary objects we need to remove from the memory. So that remove the unnecessary object, that is the which method is used, that is called finalize method. That is the three difference: final, finally, and finalize. What is the difference between final, finally, and finalize? Okay, now we do the our exception handling topic has end, and just little bit start with the one or two program. Little bit start the what we are starting. This is the thread actually. We are entering the Java. Okay, lambda expression have we done or not? Abdul?
no, not done. Lambda expression.
Java 8 features lambda expression.
No, not done. Not yet started.
Okay, I think Java 8 features we have not started. Okay, so Java 8 features a little bit started. So inside the Java 8 features, there are so many methods actually, so many functions methods there, so many new features actually. The features are first is lambda expression, first and second is method reference, three is functional interface, the stream API. These are also the Java 8 you just write the no, don't write all these things. Just write the Java 8 features. Yeah, what are the Java 8 features? And this method reference, lambda expression, and functional interface, multi-threading, threading. That is, these are four things are the Java 8 features.
Can you please repeat again? Lambda expression, multi-threading, and
Multi-threading, then method reference,
another one, two, three. Lambda expression, multi-threading, method reference, and another one.
Okay, now next. First of all, start with the lambda expression. Abdul, just tell me, we have not done lambda expression, right?
We are not done. We are not done lambda expression.
Okay, just little bit theory about the lambda expression I am giving. Little bit theory about the lambda expression. Okay, so what is lambda expression? It is the first Java 8 features. Lambda expression is a new and important feature of Java, which is introduced in Java 8 version actually. After Java 7, Java 8 version, Java SE. Java SE 8 version, the lambda expression is appeared. It provides a clear and concise way to represent one method interface using an expression. Actually, the lambda expression is used to provide the implementation of an interface, which is functional interface actually. So when we use the lambda expression, the interface name is functional interface. We see just in example so we can more understand. Okay, so just do first one example today, and then we will more go to the lambda expression next day. It's okay. So lambda expression is one type of function. One kind of a function. It provides a clear and concise way to represent one method interface using an expression. Okay, so first you create one interface. First of all, you create one interface, not class. In lambda expression, you don't need to create the class. You need to create interface. Under the lambda expression, whatever the interface is there, that is called functional interface. For using the functional interface, we use the lambda expression or lambda function. That is the main thing. Okay, now create one new interface and give the interface name drawable. DRAWABLE, drawable. 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 No, DRAWABLE. Yes. Type already exists. Give one, drawable one. Yeah. Now write the code here. Yeah, delete this. Okay, there is another class. Okay, so I think you have to create separate one class from line number 6. Now create one class. Yeah, the class name is lambda expression example. Lambda expression example. L, yes. Just give one. Class is not perfectly clear. That's what is showing here. Lambda expression example 1. Yeah, finish. Hmm. Drawing 10. Yes, it is drawing 10. Width is equals to 10, so that's why it is drawing plus width. That is called drawing 10. That is the lambda expression. You go to the first example. Go to the first interface. Yes, it is public interface drawable one. It is called functional interface. And this is the public void draw. This is the abstract method. Actually, it is the abstract method. Abstract method means what? Abstract method means this is the empty method, empty body method. This body has nothing. And then, yeah, this is the without lambda expression. Now, if we do the lambda expression, then how we can do that? Okay, just wait. Drawable into it equals to 10. You write equals to 10. Okay, now without the creating the objects, actually, just give this line that I am sharing. After line, after with equals to 10, just add one line. And then system.out.println this. Okay, yes. In line number 6, just add this line. Yes, now line number 8 and line number 9 up to draw you can delete. And public void draw you can delete. Public void draw, no, not the full line, just up to draw. Public void draw. No. Yes, from here. Okay, don't need d dot draw, don't need. No, d2 dot draw, actually d2 dot draw, actually it is because you give drawable d2, that's why it will be d2. Okay, now run. Now save and run. This is with the lambda expression. Yes, drawing intent. See the what is the lambda expression? Line number 6. This is the main thing. Line number 6, this is the main thing. This is the lambda expression. d2 equals to first bracket and in bracket, then the arrow function. That is the arrow symbol. That is the lambda expression of lambda. That is lambda expression. Or you can say this is the function. Without creating the object, we can create one function, that is lambda expression, and is the interface. Okay, so today is up to this. Next day we'll continue the lambda expression more.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And stop the recording.